So today in the shop, we have Red Bull and an F-150 to work on. Specifically, white peach and an oil change. Let's get right into it. So one of the first things we have to do is prep the lift. We're going to put some longer reaching arms here and then get our height extensions so we can reach the bottom of the frame. It's pretty easy here. We just have a kind of a set screw that'll hit against this weld. So we're just going to swap that. You can see a little bit of different length. This is just so we can reach underneath the running boards and reach the frame itself. Kind of typical on two posts as well. Go ahead and tighten this down. Do the same on the other side. And then we just have some height extensions here. Okay, there's our second lift arm. Another height adapter. Adjustable lift pad. Lock those in. Do the same over here.